Nestled in a dead-end cul-de-sac in the premier North Scottsdale community of DC Ranch, you'll find lot 902, a magnificent little hacienda, 4 bedrooms, 2 dens, 6 baths, just under 4,700 square feet with remarkable finishes. Let's go take a look. As you walk in this magical front door into this wonderful, wonderful home, you'll see just incredible finishes, great detail, a very livable floor plan, great inside-outside living, and connectivity. All the bedrooms are large in size with wonderful walk-in closets, an excessive amount of storage, and a backyard that we're going to save for last. From the great room and adjacent to the outside spaces, you enter a wonderful kitchen, great fixtures, lots of countertop, walls of windows so the inside feels like the outside, a very elegant hearth fireplace that's off of the office, stainless steel appliances, and then again back out to that incredible family room, great for entertaining, and very, very charming. Off of the kitchen, you have a charming little den. You can see the used brick floors. That just is another element of diverse materials used in the house. It extends down the hallway into the garage. Laundry room, again with light, bright windows. Another little office that could be converted very easily into a wine cellar with a magnificent handcrafted door, and a drop zone that you will see right off of the garage door, and then close proximity to the kitchen. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms and a kid's game room or playroom or reading room, wide planked floors. These are reclaimed oak floors, 3/4 inch, the real deal, and very wide tread for easy walking. As you reach the landing to the second floor, you do see the game room or TV room and 2 very good size secondary bedrooms. A lot of detailed niches, window seating, wonderful little bathroom with glass block, and again, oversized closets, all finished out very nicely. The 4th bedroom has recently been remodeled. Some magnificent views. Used to be an art studio that was converted back into a lovely bedroom and full bath. Nestled in a private little corner and tucked away from the other bedrooms is the secondary guest suite. It has its own little patio, entry doors, wonderful views. Can see the spacious nature of it. And just like the other bedrooms, you'll see outstanding finishes, and again, another well-finished closet. Right outside the secondary suite is its own little sitting area. Goes out to the front courtyard, back to the cul-de-sac, and a very cool little patio. The homeowner actually has done all the mosaics in this house, and just a very relaxing little spot, little corner of the world for your guests. Just another angle of how charming this home is, with light, bright walls and windows. Again, the 3/4 inch reclaimed oak floors, the beams, the ceiling details. and how the entire floor plan just flows so nicely. Entering the master suite, you will find a wonderful little sitting area. Again, very, very spacious floor plan. Lots of windows, light, bright, airy. 2 French doors that go out to the covered patio. And then a very, very elegant master bath. In that door in the corner to the left is a wet room where you have steam, jacuzzi tub, and 2 shower heads for a wonderful bathing experience with its own private patio with views. Master closet has its own washer dryer and is very well appointed. As you make your way out of the living spaces to the outside living spaces, you really get a true feeling of how spectacular this home is. It was designed for inside-outside living. All the windows are pass-throughs from the kitchen area. Tucked in the corner there is an outside bathroom with full shower, toilet, and sink. The jacuzzi and the artwork on the fireplace were also done by the homeowner. So all the pool tiles were done with mosaics from the owner. Very private, entertaining space with magnificent views that will never go away. The home actually backs up to a natural wash that can never be built on. Meticulously kept grounds. Again, a very large, deep overhang for outside entertaining, and nice quiet spots. Plenty of shade for that summer sun. Thank you again for allowing me to give you a tour of Lot 902 at DC Ranch in Northeast Scottsdale. I look forward to the time where I could give you a personal tour, but until then, you can always get a hold of me at engel&voelkers Scottsdale, 480-695-6031. I look forward to meeting you.